Hello everyone, hi, I'm Sam. I worked in the travel and hospitality industry. I used to travel around before COVID, and for the period of 21/5 to 21/8, right, I was fully based in Shanghai together with my wife. It was an interesting period, and one of the things that strikes us was that how much we miss Singapore and our families here. But I think importantly as well, right, when you go into that memory of sort of say, hey, I'm missing Singapore, what do I do about it? Right, immediately the first thing is to let's go and search for some Singapore food in Shanghai. So we did a fair amount of food searching, food hunting. Now there's one particular dish that really strikes me, right, and that is chai tao kueh, or carrot cake as we call it in English. That's one of my favorite dish, and I love the white ones with lots of eggs. So and whenever I eat that, right, I will get that immediate reconnection that goes back to Singapore. I feel like I'm back in Singapore. I'm back with my community, my folks, my friends. I would say that taste is so keenly associated to all these fond, wonderful memories. So I think the theme on taste and memory is a very strong one. It brings that there's so strong a synergy between these two, and I think this year's theme for the Enabling Festival is amazing. So for all those out there, right, I would say please do your best to support the Enabling Festival 2021. Thank you.